Good morning friends. Today it's 31st of December 2024, the last day of the year 2024. Yesterday we have seen that Nifty witnessed a high volatility. Initially it was up, and from the highs of 24,079 it slipped down to the lows of 23,770 before ending the session at 23,816, down 0.73%. Today once again we are expecting a negative opening on the back of the global market weak cues, and we will be expecting that the index will remain in range to downside biased with an important support at around 23,500 levels. Technically we have been saying that trading below 24,200 mark the bias will remain range to down, and we will be expecting lower levels to test. The only positive which I can see here on the daily charts is that the oscillators are not turning that negative. At the same time, the open interest build up, which is just in the start of the new series, we can see some kind of positive development in the OI, which indicates that any sharp cuts in days to come can witness a similarly equal pullback. So heavyweight counters though initially indicates a strong out of money call build up, but at the same time the complete structure and strike price and the OI at different strike price indicates that maybe the index and the counters will witness a sharp pullbacks from the lows in days to come. Technically, as mentioned, the price below 24,200 and major 24,800 in next few weeks will act as a hurdle between bulls and bears, while on the lower end 22,800 that will be the important support. So dips towards these levels can attract fresh buying, and retest of these resistance levels of 24,200 and maybe higher cannot be ruled out. So overall it is going to be a high volatile month as per the OI readings, and as per the price study the bias will be range to down trading below mentioned support levels. Nifty futures intraday supports come intraday buying levels are 23,610 and 23,460. Keeping a stop of 50 odd points, one can look for buying at these levels, while the resistances will be at around 24,000 mark, which need to be held for fresh buying interest. Bank Nifty too witnessed a high volatility from intraday highs of 52,295 to intraday low of 51,082 before ending the session at 51,404, down 0.62%. The volatility is expected to continue in days to come. If we see the price study, 50,500 will be the first important level, followed by lower 48,500 mark, while 52,250 and 54,000 mark will be acting as a resistance. Buy on dip and sell on rise will be the outlook for Bank Nifty. Overall, if we see the OI data, the build-up is not very strong as of now on either direction. So net we can say that both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty in Jan series can be within a broad range with high volatility, expecting buying on dips and selling on rise at around major support levels. Risk management will be important. Counter-specific momentum is expected to continue amid this volatility. So we need to be very focused on the counters rather than the index, because the index can be within a broad range post any upside and downside breakdowns. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.